From the heart of Malaysia, a vision was born. A vision that grew into a legacy, reaching millions across 180 countries. Rooted in nature, backed by science, powered by Ganoderma. From Malaysia to Egypt, in a land where history echoes through the sands. A people full of energy, potential, and pride. DXN, with over 30 years of global wellness leadership, is now writing a new chapter. For the first time ever, DXN opens its doors in the land of the pharaohs. This is your time. Be part of the legacy.